everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing great today. So in today's video we have another unboxing, but before we get into that, if you are new here, I want to say welcome. I am so excited that you are here. If you are new, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that being said, today we have an unboxing. Today I have my Lola box. Lola, it comes every month, but I don't remember how much it is. I think it's $21 a month. It's like right up there with BoxyCharm, but I cannot remember, so I'll leave everything down in the description as always. But again, today we have Lola. Lola's box is very pretty. It is just pink, and on the back it has yellow, but my address is back there, so I won't be showing that. So let's just get into this unboxing and see what we got in here. Dogs are going crazy. I'm so sorry. Okay, now my shirt is like... Okay, so my dogs are going crazy. I am so sorry that they are very noisy. Like I said, they clunk up and down my stairs as I'm recording. They don't do that all day until I record. But again, I have my trusty screwdriver here because I forgot my scissors once again. I really need to remember my scissors. So we'll just get into this box and see what is in here. See if I can slice it open with my screwdriver. That is some like hard tape. Well, okay. Got it. I ripped like half the box off, but that's okay. So again, this is Lola's beauty box. So when we open up the box, it looks like this. Has a cute little card on top of it. And the theme this month is flawless. And then it has all of the items on the back, which I will read as we go along in the box. But here's the card. It is very pretty. I love the daisies on it. The purple daisies kind of matches my fingernails. Kind of. But here's the card. It says flawless. Alright. So when we dive in here, the first thing I'm pulling out is by Wonder Beauty, and this is a liquid eyeshadow, and here's the packaging for that. And this says Wonder Beauty Eye Liquid Shadow. It says this lustrous silky eyeshadow delivers brilliant color. The eyeshadow can be used as an eyeliner, eyeshadow, highlighter, or layered for a beautiful range of day to night looks. The innovative formula transformed from liquid to powder for long-lasting, high-intensity color. That's really cool. And this retails for $26. So let's just get in here and see what color we got. So we open it up. Ooh, that's really pretty. Here is the packaging for... I always love Wonder Beauty's packaging. And it just has this, like, weird doe foot thing for the applicator. And we'll give it a swatch. It is like a pinky rose color. It is super pretty. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on camera. I'm hoping you will, because it is very pretty. I don't own any liquid eyeshadows, but here it is on the back of my hand. It is like a pink color. It's right there. Super pretty, so I'll definitely be trying that on my eyelids. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is by Zoya. Z-O-Y-A, Zoya. And this is Zoya Nail Polish. Zoya in Jack can be best described as a full coverage nude cream. Perfect to match your morning latte, which I love drinking coffee and lattes and all of that stuff. So this is in the shade, what did I say this is in? Jack. So we'll open this up. That little guy's really stuck in there. There we go. Okay, so we just have a nude nail polish here by Zoya. It is very pretty. I do wear nudes on my fingers sometimes, but now I have blue, so I will not be trying this, but I will definitely try it out at one point. Here is the applicator. It's just a nude color. So that's really pretty. Like I said, I do wear nudes on my fingernails sometimes, so I'll definitely be using this guy. The next thing I'm pulling out is in this box, and this is Glow by Glory. It is a semi-matte liquid lipstick, and that nail polish retailed for $10. Now this liquid lipstick, She's a bad mama jama from her head down to her toes. She'll be the perfect little purse nugget. Purse nugget. I'm so sorry, like that just cracks me up. A purse nugget. And she'll wow the crowd. This girl's got pigment that packs a punch. Pair her with confidence and high heels, and you'll be the sweetest thing walking. I still love that word, purse nugget. I'm gonna use that all the time now. But anyway, this is Glow by Glory. Here is the packaging for it. And this is in the shade, what did I say this was in the shade in? I don't know yet. My dogs are going insane right now. Okay, this is in the shade Cutie Patootie. I love that name. Ooh, it looks a little dried up. As you can see, there's product here, and then this all is like missing. I don't know if I can no, I can't shake it up. That's very weird that part of it is like missing lipstick, so I don't know if it like dried up. And it's not really hot out today because I just got this box today. But we will swatch it. Here is the packaging for it. Like I said, it's missing some lipstick there and it's like crackly. I really wish my dogs would stop barking. I have no idea what they're barking at. Alright, so we'll swatch this. It is a very dark color. Reminds me of fall because, as I've said in one of my other videos, I absolutely love fall. But here is the color swatched on the back of my hand. It is a very pretty color. It is a matte. But like I said, I don't know why that's missing some lipstick right there. But I will use it. I really do like this color. It's like a berry color. So there is that item. The next thing I'm pulling out is this big old thing here. What is this? This is a Kryolan Professional Makeup Face Liner. I don't think I own any face liners. This says, oh, and that lipstick retail for $18. The Kryolan Makeup Face Liner. Face Liner is a soft texture pencil for delicate application on eyes, face, and lips. So it's like multi-usable, if that's a word. And here's this big old packaging for it. So we'll see what this says. And on the bottom it just says 24. So I don't know if that's the shade or not. But we'll pull out. That is the biggest pencil I've ever seen for makeup. Face liner, it just says it's made in Germany. Color code 24. Okay. So when you pull it off, it is like a pencil. It is like a brown color. And we'll just pencil this in right here. It kind of matches the lipstick actually. Here it is on the back of my hand. So I think that'd be a pretty eyeliner. I would probably use this for eyeliner. It'll last me forever. But there it is on the back of my hand. I really do like that. Never seen a face liner, but that is pretty cool. And is this the last thing? Yes. The last thing is a, let's see, Lacquer & Co. I think it's Lacquer, L-A-Q-A. & Co. Desert Mirage Eyeshadow Palette. And this retails for $24. I keep forgetting to tell you guys prices. This big old stick thing, the face liner, is $20 for this guy. But back to the eyeshadow palette. It says, be transported to the beauty and mystery of a desert mirage. Mirage? Inspired by the contrast of desert shades from vibrant oasis blues, Sahara-like pinks, and cactus-inspired greens, this palette creates an infinite amount of looks that are anything but ordinary. So this is what it looks like when I pulled it out of the box. I really do like the packaging. It is very deserty. So we will get into this and see what the colors are like. If I can get the box open. These fingernails, like, I did my own fake fingernails and now I can't open anything worse than before. Okay, I finally got it open. So we'll slide this out. And the front of the palette is the same as the box. I really do like the packaging. And this is Lacquer, I think it's how it's pronounced, Desert Mirage Palette. And here, oh, those are really pretty. There's a little bit of fallout, but here are the shades. I really do like those blues, so let's give them a swatch. And they do have names. Okay, So the first one that we will do is called Dune. And this is just a white shade. You really can't see it on camera. My light's washing it out, but it is right there. It's just a white color. The next one is Sundown. And this is a gold color. And here is that one swatched on my arm. The next one is called Sandstorm. And here is Sandstorm on my arm. The next one is called Sahara. And it is a pink shimmery shade. And here's that one. Now we'll go to the other arm. The next one is called Terracotta. And it is a pink shade. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Yep, there is that one. And they're super soft. The next one is called Oasis. And this one's really blue. Here is Oasis. Ooh, that's really pretty. There's Oasis. The next one is called Mirage. And it is a light blue. And here's that one. That was a horrible swatch. But there's that light blue. The next one is called Palm. And it is a green shade. Oh. And here is that one on my hand. I really like that one also. And the last one is called Prickly. And it is a shimmer shade. And here is Prickly on my arm. So here are all these shades. It is a super beautiful palette. I really do like this palette. It's a little fallouty, but I really enjoy it. I wonder if like the blues will stain my eyelids because I think it was in, I forget which palette, but we got, oh, it was BoxyCharm's palette. The pink in there completely stained my eyelids pink for like a couple days. But here's that palette again. It is super pretty. I really love all of those shades. So that is all that is in our Lola's box. It was a really good box. I really enjoyed the liquid eyeshadow. And the lipstick I really do like. I just think that it kind of dried out a little bit. And then the nail polish and the big stick thing. So I can add all of these up together and tell you guys how much this box is worth. Let me get my little phone calculator out here. Alright, so we've got, oh, the palette is worth $24. So 24 plus 18 plus 26 plus 10 plus 20. So the retail value of this box is $98, as you guys can see there. And I'm pretty sure this box is $21 a month. Like I said, I'll leave everything down in the description below. And with that being said, that is all that I have for this unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Oh, and I wanted to do a little update. My giveaway is still, once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!